Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into something really interesting that is in the crypto space, a project that is trying to solve one biggest problem in Web3 right now. Moving stablecoin across different blockchain easily. This is the biggest problem. If you have ever tried sending USDT or USDC from one chain to another, you already know it's not always simple and definitely not cheap. Right now, the crypto ecosystem spreading across multiple blockchain, Ethereum, BNB, Polygon, Arbitrum, and many more. What is the solution? In today's video, we are going to share about you can also transfer different cryptocurrencies as well as the liquidity is fragmented. Your fund might be on one chain, but opportunity is another. And moving assets between them often means using bridges, paying multiple gas fees, waiting for confirmations, and sometimes dealing with confusing interface. So this is where TED protocol stand for you. And TED protocol is designed as a cross-chain stable swapping infrastructure, meaning it helps you moving stable across blockchain in more seamless way. Instead of acting like a typical token project, it focuses on real utility, especially making stablecoin transfer move efficient. There is 8 stablecoin, 6 plus chain, 10 plus DEX aggregated with 1.2 million plus total as volume. And think of it TED protocol. This is decentralized foreign exchange system but for crypto. Instead of just swapping their token, you can understand as a real world. There is also seamless cross-chain native gasless. There is intent-centric and non-custodial. It's mean there you can also find something that really you need. Yes, USD, Euro, JPY, KRW, and then it optimizes swap based on the actual currency value. And here is multi-spotted network. You can get spotted stable coins. Here I have shown you about these one, and it compare prices in real time. It's mean normally moving fund between chain is complicated, but TED protocol integrate technology. What are the technology? You can easily come here to check out about that TED protocol, where you can find about like there is also the routing. What is TED protocol? This is the cross-chain stable swapping protocol that is going to offering you digital representation and optimizing swapping accordingly. And you can easily get here FX or PMI's routing with non-custodial architecture. And TD protocol, not just a bridge, not just a custodian, not a bank. Even you can easily get here. It is going to giving you intent your problem solving method. And TED integrate technology like circle CCTP, layer 0 and wormhole. And there you can also check what was the problem it has approached now, and it is now open to everyone to get benefit. Yes, how to use it? There is also the whole method swapping, stable, pool, dashboard, and explorer. These are the pages you can easily open it. But if you want to know what are the discovery and what was the problem that have been now solved out, you can check out. Because this means you remain in charge of your asset. You will be the person who will hold it. And there is also the swapping from one currency to another, and there will be also no fee, and it's mean gasless fee. And there is also the multi DX aggregator where curve finance, this chain feature, and best of all $1,000 plus stablecoin swapping. There will be also cross chain bridges like USDT, USDC, TEDP. There is layer 0 wormhole and circle CCTP as the bridge. I have already shown you these are the technology behind this project. And you can find best USD to JPY as choose as the most efficient route, as well as there is also spotted network too. You can check out, and here is also what is the best in Ethereum and many other. So if you want to get their own token, TEDP token, then here is total token supply, and you can also get the token distribution into different category and how people can easily get that token. There is a complete information. Cross-chain layer 0 OFT is also behind this project, and here you can also check further information as their spotted chain and what are the transfer time just in a second. You can also find the more information about their own token TEDP protocol, and their profile on coin market cap can be checked out. Already there are many people who hold it and they are also going to using it. Link in my video description I will provide so you can check out. If you want to participate, now how it is going to be used. First of all, you need to connect the wallet, and here is also the wallet connect, and where we can also check out MetaMask, Rainbow Base Wallet, and Wallet Connect can be connected to this site. So MetaMask has been opened, where we have to give the password to get access to the asset that we are going to use, and there you can also check my wallet is going to be open, where we have to connect to TED protocol and click on the connect option. Now our wallet have been connected successfully, you can check out too. And next, what we have to do, we have to click on the swap option. If you want to swap from one asset to another, you own the TED protocol, there you can also choose one asset what you want to convert into another. You can write here the number, and then it will be give you a complete fetching what is equal to. There is next about stables. If you want to know about the stables that are already listed here, you can check out on the TED protocol, and there is also multiple chains, and everything about their pool can also be explored here. So this is your dashboard, where you can see how many transactions and already have been already done, and there you can also check a complete information about their platform, and more information can be checked out on TED protocol, where you can easily launch the app, and this will give you all these functions. So I hope you understand how it is working in a safe zone. If you still have any question or you want to ask something from us, you can ask in our com box too, and you can follow them on the social media link like Telegram. I'll catch you next week. Till then, take care.